Wow, Merry Christmas. Ang among favorite bags from GBN. Baka naman.
Sponsor na me, please.
White na lang only for the Libiton. Partner sa outfit.
Huwag ito ako worry.
May Christmas man. Red. Good morning, guys. So today is December 17, 1:44 AM and later 12 PM. Pupunta ko na si Chin kay mga Tumeol, Liloy, like sa On The Rocks. I really don't know where exactly, pero let's do the maps later. I'm wearing all white, tapos naka-skirt. Kasi guys, dagat kasi doon. Parang feeling ko naman okay lang. Kasi once ko palang nagagamit ng skirt nito. Alam ko siya mga ROI through pictures. Ay, nag-skirt ako. Nag-eyeshadow ako, guys. Sino kayo dyan? Kahit minsan inisip ko, hindi naman masyadong kita yung eyeshadow ko kasi nakasalamin ako. And umorder na ako ng contact lens na brown. Kasi yung last na order ko na gray is nag-fail. I mean like, ang OA niya. Kaya sabi ko, ayoko nun. Hindi siya pang everyday na contacts. Kasi ang extra. Bye! See you later. Na-lost kami, guys. Ay, makamera ito. Charis. Akin eh. This is it.
Yeah, oo.
So, asan? Pwede mo parking.
Ay, diro.
Ha?
Ano ila dagay? Okay, dagay here.
Parking lang kita na. Dam, say hi. Wow. Let's go. Open. Ala.
Huh?
Okay. Ay. Pull up. Thank you. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa On The Rocks. Just sa Liloy. Hapit mi na lost, pero kanang God will lead you the way. Chin will lead you the way. Ano lang, Kamusta naman? Na-miss ka na ng YouTube ko. Charis. Guys, wala among future doctor.
Future quack doctor.
Gagi. Ato na ko Mega Mall, ato na ko SM North, wala man jud ni unya. Pagkaulin ako sa balay, nag-chat ko sa mga DJI store. Anak ko nga, kasi para DJI jud ko. Chatan ako ng DJI. Ni-reply man pagkagabi ang DJI sa Robinsons, Manila. Wala na tanaloso yung pagpa-exit na po. Kasi malos na po ito pagpa-exit.
Wala man tayo signal.
Wala ba signal dyan? Pwede na ako nihatag akong skirt. Kaya na ako yung picture. Naduhan ako na yung picture. Guys, mo na siya lang. Tawa ninyo ang park. Hapit mahulog. Tani taro. Pero, ay, dito. Ay, ito na pag-drive. Kung ano sa kata? Saan mo transfer sa?
Pwede na.
Go! Hindi mainit.
Yan tayo. Ay, inaura ang window. Ay.
Yoro eh.
Okay, go.
What's up, guys? Muna mo ang on the rocks.
Wala na pag cloud chase.
Yeah. Okay ang place. Ang place kay ano 8.5 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. Pwede na siya, guys. Dili siya init. Bisag udtong tirik mi na ngadto. Diba?
Layo lang.
Layo lang. Pero kailangan ko tay chika good mo murag.
Oo.
Nindot ang ano atake. Vanilla food ng facial lang.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when you love you. Lost her on my soul.
Guys, kami nangabri sa SM. Mama.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take it and still finish. Memory lane isn't that too far away from my heart, yeah. Once we get close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
First order of business. Second na yan. Starbucks din. Biscuit. Grapes. First order of business ko today is Starbucks. After sa Starbucks, nag-yaw-yaw may pero magkaon kami sa Big B's. And then, Uniqlo. Hindi. Magle-labor pa pala ako after. Labor ko ay 10 a.m. Ay, sale? Ang katong t-shirt? Parang Uniqlo, guys.
gani eh. Tabukara dyan eh.
Plans. There's so much more. There's so
If
much
you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when you love you. I surround myself with positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that
Hi guys, this is the makeup. Guys, ambot. Basta ka naman akong stressed ka or gusto ko lang maging masaya. Ang bangas ko talaga, hindi talaga siya sumasang-ayon sa buhay ko. Guys, help me pray. Tumutuho na nagpaspas akong bangas din para hindi na siya masyadong relevant sa aking face. I mean, pag mahaba na kasi, pwede mo na siya talagang i-curtain bangs. So, okay. Medyo nahihirapan pa ako. Guys, malakaw na ko in a while kaya mga talaga sa chin-chin. Pero yung bangas ko, hindi pa din siya. Lord, baka mga February okay na to. So guys, showing you the Cebu Hub case. Pero akong sa ni Angel kay given by my sister. Tapos, guys, actually, katong gipalit na ko ni na case. I really want a red one, like pop of red good. Unfortunately, that time, wala pa sila inato na color. And then, like, 2 weeks after, or 3 weeks after, guys, naghatag sila, like, nag-release sila red, like this na red. You'll see later, pakita na ko ang kay Chin Chin, like, it's so nice.
see you. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from my heart, yeah, yeah.
Diba? Mas nice din. Hindi akong gusto na case, na color. Look at that. Guys, this is the color that I want.
Once we keep close, we should never